Okay, so I think you've understood the difference between sporophyte and gametophyte, no? So that's why, even though I've made the note, I will have to explain to you girls, because the concept, no, from one note, it's very deep, okay? So you've understood the definition. Oh my God. Okay, so you've understood the definition. Now, the example of the pteridophytes that show heterospory are Selaginella, which you know. Then you have Marsilia, Azolla, Salvinia. Okay, so Selaginella, you have to remember that example at least. And one more, whichever you prefer. Okay, let's go to the next slide. Okay, the next one is incipient heterospory. Incipient heterospory. Now this is when the spores produced by the sporophyte are alike, means they look same. Remember when I drew just now in the previous slide, I drew different shapes, no? But here they look alike. If this looks like this, the other one also looks like this. Same, they look exactly alike. But when these spores germinate, they will germinate into two types of gametophytes. Okay, and one gametophyte will be smaller, so it will be male, and the larger gametophyte will be female. Okay, so let me just tell you, a sporophyte, the plant body of sporophyte is always diploid, okay, 2n, but the plant body of the gametophyte is always n, okay, because they have arisen from the germination of the male spore and the female spore. Okay, let's say if this was the Selaginella microspore, this was also n. Okay, and this is the this is the microspore, this is also n. Okay, so the main difference between a sporophyte and gametophyte is that sporophyte is 2n and gametophyte is n. Okay, so I hope this concept is again also clear. Okay, so incipient heterospory is when the spores, they look alike, but they germinate into two types of gametophytes, a smaller male and a larger female. Okay, now another one, Equisetum is a homosporous pteridophyte. Homo means same spore size and shape, but it will produce two types of gametophytes. Okay, so this Equisetum, it shows your incipient heterospory. Okay, so the example for incipient heterospory is Equisetum. Then in Equisetum, you'll see that the male prothallus, I told you, no, thallus means is a body. Okay, you don't know, is it a root, a shoot, a stem? Is it a hand? Is it a leg? Is it a neck? No. Thallus is when we cannot make out. Okay, it's just a mass of plant cells. Okay. So the male prothallus, okay, which is the plant body, will be smaller in size, and the female prothallus will be larger in size. So I think it's clear, no girls, incipient heterospory.